hundreds of mysterious sinkholes appear after an earthquake. Since the earthquake struck, residents in the affected region have become increasingly worried as sinkholes continue to emerge. Thousands of people are living in fear of being swallowed by the earth after hundreds of sinkholes appeared in an area shaken by a powerful earthquake just over 2 months ago. On December 29, 2020, Croatia recorded its strongest earthquake to date, measuring 6.4 on the Richter scale. The earthquake directly affected 116,000 people, primarily in the cities of Petrinja, Sisak, and Glina, as well as the surrounding rural areas. More than 35,000 homes and 4,550 businesses were damaged by the intense shaking and subsequent aftershocks. Additionally, 5 fatalities caused by this devastating natural disaster were reported. More than 2 months after the earthquake, residents of the affected area have grown even more anxious as sinkholes continue to appear. According to residents of the village of Mesenkani, located about 25 kilometers from the earthquake's epicenter, the first sinkholes appeared 2 days before the quake. However, 10 days after the disaster, there were already 15 sinkholes in the village. Tomo Medved, the head of the task force dealing with the aftermath of the December 29 earthquake, told Croatian radio that the number of sinkholes in the town of Kukuruzari, near Petrinja, had increased from 40 last week to more than 70. Since the sinkholes are forming at an alarming rate, scientists have not even had the chance to fully assess the situation. Experts from the Faculty of Mining, Geology, and Petroleum Engineering in Zagreb have provided some recommendations, but with the community struggling to cope, no one has been able to take full responsibility or develop a comprehensive strategy. This is an extremely large number, it is expanding, and we are facing the challenge of finding a solution, so that the lives of people living here are not in danger, Medved said. At present, authorities are evacuating the most severely affected communities and setting up temporary housing in the form of container homes. Some of the sinkholes discovered by the task force in the affected area are several meters wide, with the largest reaching up to 30 meters. The deepest sinkhole is about 15 meters deep, but most are filled with water, making it difficult to estimate their true depth. Although they may not be as massive as the funnel-shaped sinkholes that have appeared in parts of Russia, Croatia's sinkholes are far more dangerous due to their emergence in densely populated areas.